It's theory about, it's talk about mind or thinking, theory of thinking. So, cognitivism revived that psychological study of thinking, developing scientifically rigorous ways of studying unobservable mental activity. Why is that unobservable? It is because dili nato maisip ang laing giisip sa laing tao, of course, no? Diba? Dili nato maisip kung sa iyang giisip. So, next is, what is cognitivism? Cognitivism is a psychological of learning which emphasizes human cognitivism or intelligence, special involvement in applying man form hypothesis, development, intellectual cognitivism, and it is also known as cognitive development. So, atong cognitive is mo-develop gihapon. Then, through cognitivism, we gain knowledge, we learn from it. For examples, just like what earlier, we do an oral. So, through cognitivism, nag-isip ta kung sa'yo sunod answer, kung sa'yo sunod ikuban. Right? So, next is, how does learning of yours? So, cognitivism theories acquisition of knowledge and internal mental structure, and such as closure to the rationalist and of epistemology. Continue. Learning is equated with discrete changes between state and knowledge rather than with changes in the probability of response. Cognitive theories focus on the concept creation of student learning process and address the issues of how information is received, organized, stored, and retrieved by the mind. Of course, our mind is just like a computer. Know how to, kabayo kabayo mo, ano mabahin ba nga? Kini is sa atong learning. Kini is sa atong nahibawan ay, know how to organize ang atong mind. Kaya of course, usay atong isunod sa atong mind, maoy atong masunod. Like example, kanang mag-quiz. So, atong maisip is mag-quiz. So, mag-on the jud. Then, mag-organize po ang atong mind. Dili kong, ganing kag-bale. Like, gubot, dili gubot. Ang atong mind is more organized yapon. So, for example, kanang full of activities na ta. So, ang atong mind is mag-process na through, mag-organize siya kung aso'y dapat na tuunahon yung mga activities, di ba? So, kung naabot tayo kanang proper nga para dili magkagubot sa imong mind, magkasabol-sabol lang sa imong unang buhaton. So, just relax and think kung sa imong una nga buhaton. The next is pure